How to change Instagram chat theme. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So, without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So, first, launch your Instagram application. After that, go to the message section. Now, select the message in which you want to change the theme of. Tap on the username of the person from the top corner. Now, go to theme. Here you will find several themes. So simply select the theme that you want. A preview of the theme will appear like this. If you are okay with the theme, simply tap on select and then as you can see your theme is changed. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.